Alright, we're grabbing this Camaro 2016. We are going to grab the hood and the mirrors. So the hood, we need to remove these vents. This vent has double side tape, and I think you got 2 screws. And the mirrors, we got to remove the door panel, the inside door panel, to get access to the screws. In here we got 3 screws. We are going to disassemble the whole mirror in 2 pieces. It is 1 and 2. Also, we gotta get the mirror glass off, and well, you will see. But let me start with popping up the hood. We pop it up already. We are going to open up. We got to remove the liner. You got these clips. Remove the liner, and you will see. You got these 2 tools. You know, the clip remover or the clip remover pliers. I like these ones. So let's get see. Have to get in, and you hold it with the finger so the plastic doesn't fly off. And now, as you see, we got a 10 millimeter bolts. Nuts. I mean, 1 and 2. Let me get my tool. All right. So we got my driver. What is this? Screw, I mean, power drill. I got 1 and 2. Now you got clips, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 clips. So we are going to start with the one end. So I push and push. Remember, it is a double side tape there, so you gotta hold it and go slow. You unclip those, and it's going to start getting off. All right, I think it's a little hard, this one. Now the other side, and all right. Okay, got it from the top, and there is, you got this double side tape. It is probably not double side tape. It is just a rubber seal. It's not really. Maybe it is a double side tape. Let's take a look. So let's go see. Oh yeah, it is a sticky thing. So it was a double side tape. So I gotta clean it up, this one, really well, and the hood is going to be ready in a minute. So let's take care of the other one. 1, 2, then the clips, push it a little bit, clips, more clips, here. Oh yeah. Alright, so this one is off also. Alright, now this will go. We about to clean it up, and the hood is going to be ready to grab. We wrap it on Avery Black Satin.